well.
Bro, what a fucking idiot. It's gonna be on camera, you fucking idiot. I'm gonna fucking deck you in a second.
How should we get there? It's more popping off than last week.
I hope so. It's pretty much right on midnight, so
We came at a good time.
I think it's a good time. I think it's gonna be.
I mean, that's fucking traffic already. It's good news.
Just a quick pause within the video. Just want to explain what we are doing before we actually, you know, just show the video and no context behind it. In Australia, in Melbourne, in the city area, there's a street called Chapel Street. And Chapel Street is known to have the craziest, you know, cars. People just get drunk and just, it's just a place for people just to party. But it's very known to have your cool cars going up and down the streets, and those are called chap laps. In this video, we decided to take the FD RX7 and to do a quick chap laps in it. But we wanted some content, so me and Ben usually always do chap laps just for fun off camera, and then we're always like, yeah, let's record this. And the time we record it, all this mayhem happens. There's a lot more that happens. We just didn't film, so this time we filmed it, and every time we're gonna go Chapel Street and do chap laps in the RX7, and in the future I want to do it in the Civic. I think it will be so funny just to have like just a little egg just spitting like a little flame in Chapel Street. It'll just be so fucking hilarious. Anyways, back to the video. Hope you guys enjoy.
The Pulsey, bro. It's the Triple S Pulsey. Yeah, man, he's in the Pulsey. Oh, I can't remember those. Wait, remember those things that were driving through the city? And we had this stick on the pole.
God, dude, that was fucking hilarious.
And we were fully sticking it in their car.
Did you not see what I just did? I was like that.
Yeah. Holy fuck, cunt. Is that your mate?
Rebecca's!
Do a burnout count. Yeah, that's how I want them to be.
He's trying to be smart to us.
Are they all?
Bro, what a rig,
I
cuz.
don't know.
Oh, no, I think they were down. I think they...
I don't know. Get out and check if they're on sleepy eyes.
I touch it.
It's all good. We're not going anywhere.
Nah. Yeah, they're on sleepy eyes.
What a fucking wine-up merchant. Every time.
Bro, look, he's got it on the hood, bro.
On the camera too, man.
He's off his head, bro.
Bro, it's on video, bro. Yeah, do it. Go.
Bro, just get gas. Yeah, work it.
Lambo vs RX7 road battle.
Question mark? Hey, tell him two-step battle. Even the VL there, two-step battle.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Nah, this car won't do it.
He will.
Is he turning on?
Hey, give us a dose. Give us a dose.
There it is.
That's a Jeep. AMG. Yeah, it looks like a C63. I just gotta tell him to fucking dump the clutch, bro.
Get out and tell him to do a burnout.
Should I?
Yeah, record these chicks, bro. Record them. They're yelling at him. The ones on the seat are saying something.
Save your chest, girl.
Funny how that
Hey, rev it, brother.
What did you say?
Damn it, bro. Like, look at that one.
I'm pretty sure that bar is feral as.
Hey, just, hey, do something. Yeah.
Hey, do a backflip. Do a backflip, yeah. On top of this car, do a backflip.
I'll find you on YouTube.
Yeah,
Done. Done. Thanks, brother.
Look, mira.
Wait. Oh shit. Wait, it's a...
This cunt's, what a legend.
Oh, what a legend, bro. Fucking sick cunt.
Started a new clip by itself. What, every 30 minutes it starts a new one?
Yeah, I think it was. Because mine started again.
Yeah. Well, I only have 35 minutes of space left, so we should just make it. Maybe. Mira.
Right, now you got camera shy, bro. Bro's like, nah.
Is that VL again, or is that another one?
Yeah, it is. No, it is. It is that video.
No, that's another one.
No. It's
Yeah,
the
that's
same
another
dude.
one, bro.
No, it's the same dude.
No, it's not. The other comes on P plates.
No, he wasn't. Burnout, but like how?
Fucking hell.
Holy fuck.
These cunts just walked in front of him anyway, like, you fucking idiot. This cunt's gonna start a fight in front of us. There's a gay club, that one. We can't. Take my...
Bro, no fucking way. What a wanker.
It's on camera anyway. I'm gonna fucking watch it. Get the fucking video now, cunt. It's one of these fucking idiots did that.
Do you know who it was?
Nah, but it's gonna be on video, bro.
Bro, he just ran and snapped that shit off.
Yeah, bro. What a fucking idiot. It's gonna be on camera, you fucking idiot. I'm gonna fucking deck you in a second.
Bro, where the fuck did you go?
This cunt. I don't think. Oh, he fucking seen
No,
it.
he fucking
Is he here?
fucking ran him out. Nah, he did that on purpose,
Yeah,
bro.
And he fucking ran this way like so fast. What a fucking cunt. He put his shoulder into it. Like, watch. Boom.
Oh, why? Probably just didn't see it, I'm not gonna lie.
I don't know, bro.
Because it looks fucked off his head.
Can't. Now we don't even get this shit on fucking camera. Fucking hell, that would have hurt, man.
Smaller.
That's him.
If he revs first, we'll rev.
What?
If he revs first, we'll rev as well.
If I what?
If he revs first, we will rev as well.
Okay.
Get him to rev then.
Give it.
Bro, I thought you were just about to drive off normal, bro. That was funny as.